Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hey, look who is here, Moo and Pooh, my friends. I think they are excited to tell you what's next. So Moo and Pooh, please tell them. Hey guys, so today we are here again with an exciting yet crazy post, and I'm sure if you'll create it, it will amaze your audience. And to know how to create it perfectly, stay tuned with us till the end. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, Moo and Pooh. So as they said guys, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So first of all, as usual, we are going to take an Instagram post blank page. And after selecting it, we are going to go to the element section and search for frames. Okay, today I need letter frames. So first of all, I am going to search for F. After selecting F, I need I. Little bit resizing the I. Now I need R. I am going to keep the size of R little bit bigger than the other letters. And finally for E. Just adjusting the E according to the other letters. Okay, now we are going to group them together so that it will be easy for us to move it. Now I am going to search for W. Now for A. Okay, I got A. Now I am going to keep the size of A little bit bigger than the other letters. Now for T. Now I need E. And finally I am going to take R. So this will result to the word called as water. Now we are again going to group them together. Now I am going to search for another letter which is S. Now for N. Now for O. And after resizing it, finally for W. And I'm going to keep the size of W bigger than the other letters. So this will result to the word known as snow. Again grouping them together with each other. Okay, now the three words are ready: fire, water and snow. Now I'm going to search for fire in element section and going into the videos part. Okay, I think this video is quite good for my project. Now putting it into the letters by duplicating them. Okay, now I'm just going to adjust the flame inside the word fire. Now I'm going to search for water videos. I think this video is good. So I'm just going to put this video inside all the letters of the water word. Okay, now again I'm just adjusting it. Now I'm going to search for the snow video. This video looks good to me, so I'm just going to put it inside all the letters of the word snow. Okay, now again adjusting it little bit. Now as our all the three words are completed, so we are just going to minimize them and going to put them at the one corner. Now we are going to again search for a new frame. Okay, so I'm going to choose this frame and going to place it above the page accordingly. Okay, now I'm again going to search for the fire, going into the video section and searching for an appropriate video. Yeah, this one is good. So I'm just going to put it in the first part of the frame. Now I'm going to search for the fishes inside the water. Okay, this video is good enough. So I'm just going to put it inside the second part of the frame. Adjusting it. Okay. Finally, I'm going to search for snow video. This video looks good to me again, so I'm just going to put it inside the third part of the frame. Adjusting it, it's done. Now we are going to move all the text in the forward and going to put it above all the three parts of the frame. Fire in the first part, going to resize it little bit, then water in the second part, and finally the snow in the third part. Just adjusting all the three text above the three parts so that it will look cool. Okay, a little bit of nudging it. Now I'm going to change the color of background to red. Okay, a little bit of adjustment in the fire text also, in the water text also. Okay, now I'm going to search for the text box. And finally, I'm going to write inside it nature in the caps. Now I'm just going to slightly rotate it and put it there. Finally, I'm also going to duplicate it and going to put it on the right corner. Okay, rotating it. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to change the color of this nature to yellow. I think we need some effects also. So I'm just going to change it to splice effect. Okay, it looks good. I think the snow text and its background is just merging with each other. So I'm going to select another background for it. Yeah, I think this one is good. So I'm just going to put it in the third part of the frame. Okay, a little bit of adjustment. Okay, our post is ready. So we are just going to download it. Okay, it's done guys. So final post is going to look like this. So, what do you think about it? Please comment down below. And if you want to know about more such creative posts and want to create it also, then please stay tuned with us. And for that, please subscribe our channel, hit the like button and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we upload new videos. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.